So I come across like a hut at the State Line Lookout in New Jersey. I don't know if anybody knows, but Indians used to be here like a long time ago. So I'm wondering, this is some bum made or Native American. Look at it. Not much I can take a picture of. There are some military helicopters. I took one so far, so nothing special. Here's another hut. No, JK, just a fallen tree. Today is literally the best fucking day. I love after winter, like no bugs, none. I can walk around with my mouth open. No bugs, bro. Only COVID. Fucking beautiful. I can't express it enough how fucking nice it is. Wish I could fucking camp right there and have all the shit I have in my house. A fucking bathroom, shower. Anyway, if I get any cool photos, I'll link it with this video and see how it comes out. I hate the 1 minute rule, but it is what it is. Alright. Right now, I'm walking towards this spot where the peregrine falcon loves to be. Here I found another hut. Look at this. That's a crow? Get the fuck. That's a big ass crow. Alright. So on this episode of Big Ass Crow documentary geographics, I'm gonna try to get a picture. Shit. That sound cool. Do you hear that? And y'all sound. I can't shoot through these fucking branches. Oh, they flew away. And they're coming back. Shit. Motherfucker. Crow, bro. Look at that. I need to learn more about these guys, because I don't want to assume their gender. Shit. Make me walk all the way down here. Flew away. Son of a bitch. Where are they? These birds are like a boomerang. They fly out and they fly back. God forbid they fucking posed. Shit. I don't think they believe in God. Shit. Nothing but fucking branch. God damn it. You got a branch in your mouth? Even if I got this picture, see that guy? Even if I got these guys' pictures, it wouldn't matter because it's so fucking far. I got a 24 megapixel camera. So I'm not cropping too much, right? So the other one flew by real close. got a nice picture. I literally got there, and as soon as I got there, the fucking bird came. Post all of my pictures on Instagram. I mean, they come back. That's where they are. Like, that's why they're all there, but it's annoying when a lot of people there. You could stand there. I mean, that's how you get the shot, you know, you're patient. But actually, when you walk around, I just got some cool ass pictures of the falcon. These guys, as soon as it landed right next to me, as I was saying, like, oh, they get lucky because they stand in one spot all day, and you know, it pays off. As soon as I said that, I see it right next to me as I'm walking away from the spot. That's ironic, but anyway, I got a cool picture of a spy plane, one of those satellite dish planes. Cool picture of a helicopter. I'll post all those. They're birds, you know. I don't care. If it's cool, I like it. I'll take a picture, I'll post it. So that's the end of that.